back. This video is brought to you guys by Dyplay, and we're taking a look at the really awesome Soundbar. This thing comes in at around 20 inches, and it can produce up to 100 watts. How awesome is that? It also has 3 equalizer modes built in, so you can go ahead and take full advantage of your Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI, optical, aux, TF, or USB connection, because you're able to go and tweak the sound depending on what the input is. For example, you might be using Bluetooth to listen to music directly from your phone. In that case, you might want very particular equalizer settings. However, in another regard, you might be using the HDMI cable to get a direct input directly from your TV. In that case, you might want a movie level kind of sound. So of course, you can go ahead and tweak all of that as needed. How cool is that? Now, my favorite thing about this is clarity. This thing is brilliant. I went ahead and tested it in the living room, went and tested it in a bedroom, and I also went and tested in the garage, which the garage is a really massive space. I wanted to see how much sound can this thing produce, and let me tell you, it gets loud. Very loud, to the point where even within the garage and the outside vicinity, I just didn't need to put it all the way to the top. It's crazy. And if you watch a movie on this, it really is full-on movie theater level sound. How cool is that? And of course, the actual specs on it is 100 decibels, so it's pretty solid, you know. You're also able to go and mess with the experience itself, because if you want to plug this into your computer and use it for gaming, you can go ahead and do that as well, courtesy of the HDMI/aux cable. My last favorite thing about this is that it does have an SD card input, so if you want to take a micro USB and shove it in there, you don't technically need a phone or maybe a TV or anything of those sorts, and this way you can kind of carry it around, and this makes it nice for, let's say you're going camping and you have a generator that has power, you can go ahead and plug this in and suddenly you have great outdoor audio. Last but not least, this thing can be mounted 2 different ways, which is really important considering this is a soundbar. You can mount it on the wall, like I did within the garage shot, and you can also just simply place it down on the table or maybe the floor, wherever you want it, and it will produce a nice amount of sound, resonating a deep sense of bass and treble everywhere. How awesome is that? So all in all, guys, go ahead and check out the link below. If so, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.